Hello everyone, in this video you're going to learn about 6 free resources that compound into Claude Code expertise. And if you know that the Anthropic Academy launched as an official self-paced training platform, free courses, official certificates on completion, most best Claude Code resources, listicles still open with community repos instead, useful but built on a foundation those lists never mention. And if you see by the numbers, around 17 courses, 5 tracks, 84 lessons in the largest single course, 8 plus hours of video. And for you to enroll, you just need to go with the email sign up, no subscription, no credit card. If you go directly on that anthropic.skilljar.com, here you can find those courses right here, like Claude 101 and Claude Code 101 or Claude Platform 101. All are the intro level, but it can give you the boost over how you can learn code, how you can use those setup each and every single day by day. And there is a full free post right here about all of these things I mentioned right here. And also if you want to learn more about that Claude Code and others, you can find it right here. Anthropic Shift 17 skills for Claude and 11 plugins for co-work. The link, it will be in the description. Feel free to follow me in the Medium, where you can find all those kind of valuable topics over there. And right here, as you can see in the details, we have the Claude 101. And to make it like register, you can see right here, you can go through the curriculum, you can see what is Claude, your first conversation with Claude. This will give you a proper base layer of idea and setup to learn and do the things the best way possible. If you click on register, you can see there it will be appear that you only need to go. You can see the data and privacy mode here, whatever the things is provided. And you only need that email and password just to go sign in, or you can just simply go and make the sign up to abide by to go with that. So that's up to you, how the way you feel better to go. Now, if you look forward that the 6 resources, 2 tiers sequenced by the dependency, not ranked by quality. If you go with that, the first one, the first Apache Foundation, where you can see the Anthropic Academy, the structured curriculum, official documentation, the canonical references, Anthropics skills, the gold standard examples, Anthropic cookbook, the working code you run, and the second one is coming with the community extensions only after the foundation, where the awesome Claude Code toolkit, the breadth of what's been built, and awesome Claude Code's sub-agents, the delegation pattern. So this is the 2 tier which can really cover up almost each and every single segment. So the first one is coming the foundation, most listicles escape. If you see that, an official structured self-paced training platform, where is coming what I said, 17 courses, 5 tracks covered, 84 lessons, and the only email sign up, no need to pay any single penny. And match the courses to where you actually are. If you go with the Claude 101 using Claude Code in any form from scratch, and then the Claude Code 101, the agentic loop, explore, plan, code, commit, and then the Claude Code in action, context management, custom commons, MCP, GitHub workflows, kind of like an advanced form. And if I click on there, it will open for that. I'm going to show you later. Then the building with Claude API, where is coming up 84 lessons, the deepest course on the platform. You can see right here, this is the Claude Code in actions. That's the course what I'm talking about. And then is coming up for the sequenced learning path. So the courses build on each other with checkpoints and quizzes that surface gaps before they compound. Self-directed reading doesn't replicate this. You don't know what you don't know. And so it's the time to complete the core track, roughly 6 to 10 hours. It can compile with that. The second is coming that canonical references plus the gold standard. The canonical references, this is not a curriculum, a lookup. If you say the quick start setup and your first session, Claude.md, which gonna be exercising with the best practices and the auto formatting, validation, lifecycle automation, and also is coming with the skill overview and MCP integration. And then coming the resources number 3, the gold standard examples of how to write a skill. If you see the 135 plus GitHub stars over there, 17 official skills, which gonna be coming with the PDF, docs, PPT export, repo, and also the Excel SX for Excel and more, and 16 plus forks. If we just click on that Anthropic skills right here, so we can view the skills. So you can see right here, see the star 161 plus. So you can see now it's getting better, getting more and more. So every single day is getting more. And if you go through it, it will give you a proper overview how the skills gonna work on that. So the exact current behavior and how to write the skills well, which gonna be on that. The community skills vary in quality. The official ones don't, and that's true. The community can be vary, but when it's coming from the official, that could be different. Clone the repo, read 3 or 4 in detail, then write your fast team specific skill using the same patterns. And they come with the working code based reading about code. How it can do that? Working code, not just documentation. If you go with that, like the mostly Python, API integration, prompt engineering, multimodal use, tool use, agentic loops, evaluation, production deployment, and every example is a notebook or script you clone, run, and modify. So you are talking about that Claude cookbooks. As you can see right here, you can just go also with the readme to have the proper understanding that can give you a good overview of how the things can be done. So documentation tell you what's possible. The cookbook shows what's being done, the real life example. So clone a notebook, modify it, run it. That loop teaches production patterns faster than reading the equivalent documentation section ever will. And 4 notebooks worth cloning today. First going to be coming the foundation for how Claude calls function and consumes results, and then the agentic loop, the code pattern underneath Claude Code's own behavior, how Anthropic suggests you measure and iterate, and the cheapest cost optimization in production AI. So now we're gonna go with the 4. The breadth owns the foundation is real. And is that the breadth of what the community has actually built, which gonna coming with the 176 plus plugins, 135 agents, 42 commands, and also the 20 hooks. If you see on the hooks, click over here, you can find the repo link about the awesome Claude Code toolkit, which also is pretty reliable to go by. And then is the delegation pattern, the demonstrated the 100 plus times. If you see the code reviewers, security auditors, refactoring agents, documentation generators, test writers, each a focused config for one class of tasks, and the sub agents separate orchestration from execution, a specific architectural choice, not just another way to use Claude. If we click it, we can find the sub-agent, the awesome Claude Code sub-agents, which will be a very good way to start with. And then coming up of that, the sub-agents are an advanced pattern. How? The building sub-agent workflows before understanding the core Claude Code low produce fragile, hard to debug systems. Community maintained also means uneven quality. Treat it as a discovery surface just before adapting. Foundation first, then the patterns gonna come. And the sequence based the selection. How? The 30 days, 5 phases. First, the academy, Claude Code 101 plus Claude Code in action, understand the agentic loop and Claude.md. Then coming 8 to 14 days, skim the documentation, set up your first Claude.md, install 1 to 2 skills, configure 1 hook. Then the 15 to 21 days, read 3 to 4 official skills, write your first team specific skill, test it on real work. Then 22 to 25 days, clone the code book, run the tool use and agentic loop notebooks. Then the 26 to 30 days, browse community toolkits, install 1 to 2 plugins or subagents, audit install skills, which can be 8 to 12 max. And what most best resources lists get wrong is that skipping academy entirely, the number one, they are not, because mostly I was not aware of that. So skipping academy entirely, the highest leveraged resource in the ecosystem coming by. Second is the mixing first party and community resources at the same level of trust. Then recommending YouTube tutorials as primary, the age faster of all. So now the what next for 2026 and beyond. Academy expansion, 17 courses today, expect 20 to 30 by year end, of course. Cookbook depth, if you see multi-agent orchestration, large code base, refactoring, cost optimization, and for the sub-agent migration, 500 plus specialized sub-agents expected by year end. And then the certification ecosystem positioning for enterprise procurement becoming a hiring signal. If you see on that Anthropic certificate, you can see over here, you can go through each and every single segment to get your own Anthropic certification. So go through directly on that Anthropic certifications, start to get your own certificates. Then gonna coming by, so what's going to take away from there? The sequence, past selection. The listicles don't pick wrong resources. They don't. Mostly, they get the structure wrong. A flat ranking implies 6 resources are interchangeable. They are not. Sequence matters more than selection for cumulative skill development. 30 days of focused work is what separates expert from chatbox user. And now, which of the 6 resources have you actually used and which one you are skipping straight to? Now, drop in the comments. The sequence is free. The first 30 days are the gate. And if you like the video, please, it will be a very good help to subscribe the channel and feel free to follow me in the medium for more resources which can help you out. Get through the link and you can just read about all 3 like as free, and you can get the better idea day by day. And if you have any inquiry, any assistance or any other thing, let me know in the comments, and I'm gonna see you in the next build.